Entrepreneurship is like initial days, you live your life like most of the people don't, but most of the other life, the rest of your life will be like you living your life like most of the people cannot. It's so inspiring that students of class 10th, they have mentioned that their aspiration is to become an entrepreneur. The highest package in IIM Indoor last year is around 1.15 crores. ఒక్క IPM indoor exam రాస్తే you are now eligible for 10 universities. This one examination you should not miss out. Hi everyone, welcome to 𝐕 Academy for Management Exams. In the recent career counseling session happened at our 𝐕 Academy, it's so inspiring that students of class 10th, they have mentioned that their aspiration is to become an entrepreneur. They wanted to do their management courses from prestigious IIMS. But I don't mention it as a wrong path, but I mention that it is a longer path. They wanted to do their MPC course of 11th and 12th, that is intermediate, and then they want to do their engineering. Engineering అయిపోయిన తర్వాత then 2 years of MBA, which is almost around 6 years. This is only because of not having awareness of one particular good exam, which is called IPM. Now, in this video, let us discuss about what is IPM, why IPM, and what is this Master 30 program at 𝐕. It is a mindset where you have to find opportunity in every aspect. The dream of starting your own business, learning management courses, doing entrepreneurship is one such small initial steps for the big success. In fact, entrepreneurship is like initial days, you live your life like most of the people don't take risk తీసుకోరు. But most of the other life, the rest of your life will be like you living your life like most of the people cannot. Now, on this note, what is this IPM, Integrated Program in Management? 2011 లో IIM Indoor ఈ ప్రోగ్రామ్ స్టార్ట్ చేసింది, where they are actually offering you BA 3 years of foundation in management plus integrated 2 years of MBA degree. So it is in 2011 that IIM Indoor has started this particular program. 2011 తర్వాత 2019 లో IIM Rohtak, which is in Haryana, they have also started this IPM program called as 3 years of BBA plus 2 years of MBA program. ఆ తర్వాత 3 more IIMs which started this IPMAT program, which is IIM Jammu, IIM Bodh Gaya, and IIM Ranchi. So in total, 5 IIMs are actually offering you this particular course called as IPM. Exams ఏంటి మరి? IIM Indoor లో కానీ, IIM Rohtak లో కానీ, IIM Ranchi కానీ, Jammu కానీ, Bodh Gaya కానీ ఎగ్జామ్స్ రాయాలి? IIM Indoor వాళ్ళు ఓన్ సెపరేట్ ఎగ్జామ్ పెట్టుకుంటారు. ఇన్ఫాక్ట్ IPM Indoor this year 2024 you have it on May 23. ఒక్క IPM Indoor ఎగ్జామ్ రాస్తే you are now eligible for 10 universities. కాకపోతే ప్రతి యూనివర్సిటీకి సెపరేట్గా మనం అప్లై చేసుకోవాలి. ఇట్స్ నాట్ దట్ వన్స్ ఇఫ్ యూ అప్లై ఫర్ IIM Indoor, all the 10 universities will automatically take you. Exam is one, but individually you have to apply. ప్రతి యూనివర్సిటీకి ఇండివిజువల్గా అప్లై చేసుకోవాలి. ఆటోమేటిక్గా IIM Indoor స్కోర్ కార్డ్ ఆ పర్టికులర్ యూనివర్సిటీకి వెళ్ళిపోతుంది. The first one, the IIM Indoor itself. The second one, you have your IIM Ranchi. Okay, ఈ రెండు యూనివర్సిటీస్ ఇండోర్ కానీ రాంచీ కానీ, the fees for the entire 5 years will cost you around 35 lakhs plus or 40 lakhs. But the average package of IIM Indoor is around 38 lakhs. The highest package in IIM Indoor last year is around 1.15 crores. Same also applies for IIM Ranchi. The fees is around 35 lakhs, but the average package is around 22 lakhs plus. Highest package in IIM Ranchi is around 67 lakhs. The third one is IFT, Indian Institute of Foreign Trade, Kakinada. So ఈ 3 యూనివర్సిటీస్ ఒక్క IIM Indoor ఎగ్జామ్ రాయడం వల్ల you will be eligible for this 3 good universities. So all the students who are very good in their mathematics, you can be eligible. A stream అని అవ్వచ్చు, MPC అవ్వచ్చు, MEC అవ్వచ్చు, irrespective of your whatever group you can be in your 11th, in your 12th standard, intermediate అయినా 12th standard అయినా సరే. If you, this next 5 months, if you now want to get into this management courses, do apply for this particular exam called IPM. Now, why IPM? The second question is why IPM program? See, normal MPC for 2 years, intermediate, then you join some engineering college, do your engineering for 4 years, and during this engineering phase, in the 4th year or 3rd year, you start preparing for your CAT, common admission test, to do your MBA program. And engineering BTech for 4 years, and then your MBA for 2 years. This is 6 years. IPM program advantage ఏంటంటే 12th standard అయిపోయిన వెంటనే లేదా ఇంటర్మీడియట్ అయిపోయిన వెంటనే BBA plus MBA 5 years లో your management study will be over. This is one first advantage. Second advantage is that immediately after your 12th standard, rather than getting into this technical course of engineering, for the entire 5 years, you will be actually having a very strong foundation towards this management subjects. So these two options are actually the background framework for you to enter the business schools, the high profile business schools. Entrepreneurship or management studies is not like doing your normal BBA or MBA degree from the other private business schools which are already available. That is not the way in which you have to do your studies. In fact, you have to start dreaming from this particular age, as you'll be learning multiple things like what is finance, okay, what are problem solving, what are networking opportunities, and entrepreneurship. Now, the last one, which is Master 30 program at Vishrestha. Now, this Master 30 program is like combination of maths, economic, commerce, integrated with IPMAT coaching for 2 years. So for all the 10th class students who really dream of themselves into getting into the prestigious IIMS, Indian Institute of Management, or who dream to get into this entrepreneurship program, this program of Master 30 program, MEC combination with IPMAT, is a very good choice. Apart from this, 2024 aspirants, where you only have 4 months time, short-term courses, the exam pattern actually requires you verbal ability skill, numerical ability, which is your aptitude, and logical reasoning, and DI, data interpretation. 4 months, it is doable. Even till now, if at all you have not started with respect to preparing for this IPM exam, or if you are not aware of this particular exam, this 4 months is enough, is sufficient time to get yourself, to make yourself land into any of these IIMs which I mentioned. Class 11 students who are now who are actually planning for 2025, 1 year program, 1 year long-term program or 1 year extended program for this big exam called IPMAT. Now, as I said, these 5 IIMs, IIM indoor examination is different. IPM Rohtak examination is completely different. It conducts its own individual exam. JIPMAT, Joint Integrated Program Management Test, which is for Bodh Gaya and Jammu. So 3 IPM examinations రాయాలి. ఇండోర్ ఎగ్జామ్ సెపరేట్గా IPM ఇండోర్ కండక్ట్ చేస్తుంది. IPM ఇండోర్ రాసారంటే you will be eligible for 10 universities. IPM Rohtak examination is completely different. And the last one, JIPMAT examination for IIM Bodh Gaya and Jammu, the separate exam. So in total, you will be applying for 3 IPM exams for all these universities. Exam pattern enti, number of seats, cutoffs in the last few years, all these things we'll be discussing in the next video. More queries about this interesting IPM course, unknown IPMAT course, do let us know. Do contact us at the below mentioned numbers. Thank you. Good luck. Prepare well.